Yo, what's good? It's your boy DoorDash Tips back at with another ride along video, fam. Yesterday it was 99 degrees. Today it's like 64 degrees. It's gonna be like 50 degrees tonight. Let's do Uber Eats first, huh? Yeah, I'm still battling this cold, fam. So you know, not sure how many hours I'm gonna work today. I did drink some Sudafed, some vitamin C. I think I'll be okay for a couple hours. We'll see how it goes. Follow me on my journey, fam. All right. 30 seconds in, we got an order, fam. Just mediocre. I think it's 14 for like 9 miles. I live like 3 miles away from any restaurant, so pretty good order to start out the day. Let's go.
You are fake news. Fake news. Fake news. Fake news. Fake news. It's all fake news.
Alright, fam, just switched battery. Just went live on Facebook for like 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm taking a break from live streaming on YouTube for a minute. You know, I'm trying to focus on my 10-minute videos. YouTube pays better for 10-minute videos, and I think I get more views for 10-minute videos. My last few long videos haven't done as well as a few months ago, but gonna keep on grinding, fam. Gonna keep on grinding. I was on the phone with DoorDash support for like an hour. Well, they put me on hold for 1 hour, but there might be a way for me to get back with DoorDash. We'll see how it goes, you know. But even without DoorDash, I'll be okay, man. And update on buying a new car. The wait list is 9 months, so I didn't want to put down a $1,000 deposit to wait for a new car, so I'm gonna continue searching for my Toyota RAV4 hybrid, and we are still 10 minutes away from the first delivery. Follow me on my journey, fam. Let's go. All right. Next up, we got Starbucks. Man, I'm craving for that PSL, man. Pumpkin spice latte. I still have a gift card from my bank or something, so I'm gonna use the gift card and go deliver some Starbucks, fam. Yes, sir. All right, fam. Got 3 bags and got myself a pumpkin spice latte. Got myself a pumpkin spice latte. Looks like a pretty good order. Bag it up. Let's go.
Bag it up. Rake it up. Bag it up. I tell all my hoes.
Sorry, fam. Last clip I might have shot it in slow-mo. We're doing the, what do you call that? Screw version. Screwed up, chopped and screwed. Alright, we're heading to Cuba. We're in Stapleton, fam. This used to be Denver's old airport like 30 years ago. Alright. Cuba, that's where we're going. Let's get it. Next up, Cuba, fam, in Northfield. All right, let's get it. All right, it's ready, fam. Vámonos, amigos. Let's go. All right. Next up, we got a double stack, fam. Pretty good. I believe it's more than $2 per mile. Let's go. Man, this Chipotle don't play around, man. The one on Peoria.
Okay. That part. Beggars can't be choosers. Business ain't Chipotle.
They got 3 people working the mobile orders and 2 people at the dine-in. Shout out to Chipotle on I-70 in Peoria, fam. They got shit done here. Yeah, they don't play around. 3 people working the mobile order section. That's what's up, baby. All right. Next up, we got Andy Street Bar, Peruvian restaurant in Stapleton. Never been here before, first time. Love Peruvian food, baby. Ceviche, yes sir. All right, let's come inside, pick it up, fam. All right, double stack. The 2 customers literally live 2 buildings right next to each other. That's a first for me. Yeah, not the 2 restaurants, the 2 customers live right next to each other. They're both hand ups. beautiful thing. Let's go, fam. All right, just dropped off the second of the double stack. I'm gonna go get something to eat, and not sure if I'm gonna continue working or just go home and rest up, you know. Yeah, man, it's raining again, and man, this cold is killing me, man. It feels like I'm drowning, you know. It sucks. Yeah, I'm gonna go get some ramen, fam. Get some ramen, and gonna eat some ramen, and we'll see how it goes, huh? See you guys back. Oh yeah, what, $77 in 3 hours 39, plus some tips are pending, some pending tips. Today I was out in Aurora, so didn't have some that was good. 1970 double stack, 1974 miles. Always send things for the tip. 22 something. Man, this one was good. Was this a double? Oh no, that was a single, fam. This was out in North Aurora. Man, you guys surprised me. North Aurora. Yeah, dude, super generous. $16 tip, fam. That's one of my best small order tips. $16 tip. Uber pay was $6.40. Highlight of the week, fam. Yeah, I apologize once again. I am not feeling well, but the bills don't pay itself, don't pay themselves, whatever. We're gonna go get some ramen, and we'll see how it goes, huh? But awesome day with Uber Eats. 3 orders still pending, and we got a monster tipper. Thank you, awesome Uber Eats customer. Let's go. All right, so I had some ramen, some spicy miso ramen, so made me feel a little bit better. I'll drink some Sudafed, and keep on trucking, fam. It is Friday, so for the first 3.5 hours we averaged like, well, we made 92 first 3.5, so pretty good night so far. This one's going out to Commerce City again, so it's not the best order, but it's like $1.60 per mile. Let's go. All right, next up we got a Dog House in Central Park. This is Central Park of Denver, not Central Park, New York City. Dog House, I don't know, is it a hot dog place? Or is it a dog friendly bar? Colorado is super dog friendly, fam. Everywhere you go you see dogs, so that's where we're going next. Who let the dogs out? Who? Alright, fam, it's gonna be the last order. I mean, I feel okay, but I'm just not a fan of the rain, man. Look at all this rain. I mean, it's not pouring, but I don't like rain. So this is gonna be the last one today, and see you guys in a few minutes. Alright, fam, I just arrived home. Today we drove like 50 miles. I spent I know it's 76, but from the last delivery back to my house is about 25 miles. It was 15 miles to my mom's house, and then another 10 miles to my house. Today for Uber Eats we only drove 50 miles, and we made with the last one pending, we made probably another $6 more, so like $120, and driving only 50 miles. That's very good dollar to mile ratio. Today's been banging, fam. So 120 in 4.5 hours. What's that? I can't do math. I'm guessing 27 per hour. I'll do some screenshots or screen recording over here. All right, fam. Yeah, today was just a short Friday dinner rush. Just gonna go inside and drink some NyQuil and call it a day. Thank you everybody for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.